If you're in the pulp, paper, and packaging industry and rely upon Oracle JD Edwards EnterpriseOne, you probably experience these pain points. Finding MRO parts and planning them on work orders, component rebuilds and swap outs, connected services, related equipment in a process or line, managing contractors for turnarounds. AMS came into being to solve these problems. Our sole purpose is to help make JD Edwards EnterpriseOne function the way you expect it to. We help pulp, paper, and packaging companies maximize their existing Oracle JD Edwards EnterpriseOne software, saving significant money and time. With AMS, you will experience automated monitoring of work orders for when parts are available, printing complete work order job packets, and simplified setup and management of PM services. If you haven't yet, the very first step is to schedule a demo of our various products. Here are the products we offer which will be of most interest to our pulp, paper, and packaging colleagues. CAM Performance Plus, Print Queue Attachment Printing, MRO Plus, Work Order Lifecycle Suite, PM Plus, and Parts Pro. Those of us who truly understand the pulp, paper, and packaging industries respect the need for efficiency and proper systems in place more than ever. AMS provides enhancements which increase productivity, improve efficiency, remove redundancy, and help your team produce its very best results. Schedule a demo today or visit us at amseam.com. We look forward to speaking with you.